Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful, functional, and durable set of bowls? Well, let's talk about these wheat straw fiber bowls for a minute. These have been everything that I wanted them to be. I needed a durable, large set of bowls that I didn't have to worry about breaking. I love that they are made from the wheat straw fiber because I know that they're going to be healthier than plastic bowls, but they're also going to withstand all of the stuff that my family can throw at them. I also really love the capacity of these bowls. I love to make large salads for dinners. I make a lot of soups and pastas, and these hold up to all of that. I even cook with these bowls. I love how big they are because really they can fit anything in them that I want. They come in a smaller size also, but if you like big salads like I do, then this big size is the way for you to go. They also come in several different colors, which is nice. So any decor that you have, they're going to match. They're dishwasher safe, which is amazing, and they are also microwavable safe, and they stack so nicely, and you don't have to worry about them clinking together or breaking or your kids breaking them. They're just wonderfully durable, and that is a lot of peace of mind for me. I couldn't ask for more in this bowl set. They are exactly what I needed them to be, but that's just my point of view.